Wow, we're waking up to a very cool, crisp morning. Looked out into this meadow and there are a bunch of elk grazing. Just neat. They were pretty close to my camp as well. I can see a lot of tracks on this road here. Well, it is time to move on from this camp. I spent a couple nights here and it's just been awesome. Been pretty windy most of the time I've been here, but having the trees to kind of break the wind and getting that awesome sound of the wind going through the trees has just been really nice. Nice change from being in the deserts all winter. So this area here is off of, well, I'm camped right off of Bill Williams Loop Road, which starts right over here at Highway 73 coming out of Williams. And this dirt road, I think it's a good 20 miles, loops all the way around Bill Williams Mountain and connects back up to Interstate 40. So lots of boondocking opportunities in this area. Just really nice. Of course, Coleman Lake is dried up, so maybe that's why a lot of people aren't coming out here, but still very beautiful. Just love being back in the trees. So I'm going to move on, heading over to Flagstaff, Arizona. Should be just about a 50-mile drive. Got some mail coming there I need to pick up, and then I'll be going and finding some boondocking out in the forest there. Let's go check it out. The adventure continues. We are ready to roll out. Let's do it. This was a great place. Didn't see a whole lot of people out here. A lot of traffic on this main dirt road here. Just people in Jeeps and four-wheel drive, Subarus and that, just going for a dirt road ride. It's a little rutted at this area here, not bad. Well, these last two camps I've been at, I've just been kind of killing time, waiting on this mail to arrive. It's supposed to be there this afternoon or tomorrow. My package got delayed. Got a notification from Amazon. It's typical. They're usually pretty good, but it seems like when I'm like pressed for time, something always comes up. Just my luck. And once that's all done, I receive my mail and finalize my taxes. I need to start heading east. I got a little behind with my repairs on the van, so I'm gonna need to start moving. I've been kind of just going 50, 60 miles between camps. I'm gonna have to start increasing that. So I've got a few stops planned in New Mexico, and then probably just one stop in northern Texas. Probably will just blow right through Oklahoma, maybe do one overnight, and then I'll be moving into Arkansas, Missouri. I'm gonna meet up with some friends there. And then I'll have to start thinking about getting up to Maine. That's going to be the kind of final destination for me. I'll be moving pretty quick once I get through Missouri. So I just have to figure out the route, try to avoid as many toll roads as possible. I know that's not easy in that area. And then once I get to Maine, I'll be spending probably a week or so there, and then I'll be flying out of Maine to Alaska for a 50-day seasonal job. That should be really exciting. I'm going to take you all along for that. And then I'll fly back to Maine once the job is done, and then I can resume visiting with my family in Maine and exploring the state, showing you guys all around. So it should be a really exciting summer. Looking forward to it. Using this Highway 73 going back into Williams. We'll connect up with Interstate 40 heading east into Flagstaff. Away we go. I passed by this reservoir off to the left here on the way in. I'm going to stop it. Looked like there was a pretty neat old brick dam. Let's see if I can give you guys a shot of that. Oh wow, look at that. That's cool. Get out, get a shot of that. Oh look, I'm being filmed. Well, that was cool. I'm glad I stopped to check that out. So funny, there was a couple ladies there fishing. One of the gals had got her line stuck in some weeds or in some sticks or something and just struggling with it, and her friend was just laughing away at her. That's my luck too when I fish. Try to take a drive through Williams for you guys. It's kind of a Route 66 tourist trap, so there's really no reason for me to stop there. But I will drive down Main Street to give you guys a glimpse. I think this is kind of cool here. This is the residential area of Williams. Cool little town to live in. Here we are. This is Route 66 in downtown Williams, Arizona. Looks like there's only a few buildings in their original state. It looks like a lot of the other ones have been remodeled. Got an email from a guy. He was over here eating at this barbecue. He saw me drive through on my first pass through here. Just let me know. He said hi. He was on a 200-mile motorcycle trip with his buddies. Sound like fun. Me personally, I can't get through towns like this fast enough. That would be downtown Williams, Arizona. Got a lot of shops you can go spend some money at. I personally try to stay away from that type of thing. I avoid the temptation by not even going in. Alrighty, let's hit the highway. Flagstaff is only 32 miles. I thought it was 50. I ain't got much of a drive at all. Section of National Forest near a naval observatory. I believe I camped here a couple years ago. And I recall last time I was here there was snow on the ground still. I think I'm here a little later in the year. Now typically these areas of national forests that are very close to a city or town are generally more populated. So I'm expecting there to be a few people here, but I just need an overnight spot. Actually looks like some national forest there. I see a rig. Yeah. Mental note, I'll keep that in mind if this is full up here. All right, we'll check in when we get a little closer. Just about 1.5 miles out. Yeah, this looks like the area. A lot of little saplings. I think when they come in here and do the thinning, that allows for the little saplings to come in. An RV there. I might check this out. Like I said, I'm just staying overnight. I don't need to go too far in here. Here's a little spot right there. See a campfire going up ahead. You know what? I think I'm going to pull right over here. It's a little mucked up, but it looks dry enough. That will work. Yeah, I think we'll swing it in right here. Perfect. Oh yeah, we got those mushrooms and onions, sliced up that pork, put in a little bit of that rice. Oh dang. Season it up with some salt and pepper, a little bit of soy sauce. Should be good. And there it is. I'm gonna go in a little bit with the hot sauce. Just a few drops. I went a little too long without eating. I got to editing the video. A few hours passed. Stomach is growling. Oh, so good. Thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate you joining me on my journey. I'm just feeling super grateful to be where I'm at in life and having the technology to be able to share all of this with you. I hope everyone is doing well out there, and we'll see you very soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.